Hello everyone, let's start with the management commands in the Linux. Management commands are the commands which can help you to create and manage the files and directories. In order to create or manage these files, we have to follow three phases. The first one is Genesis, and second one is mobility, and third one is cleanup. So let's start with the first phase called creation of files and directories. For creation of files, we can use three different methods. The first one is touch, and second one is cat, and third one is VI editor. So by using this, we can create a files. So we can start with the first command called touch. Touch is the command which can help you to create an empty file. So what is the syntax of touch? Touch with the file name. My file name will be testfile1.txt. Let's create. Now my file has been created. So how we can see the file? ls-l with the file name. So how we can see the content of this file? By using cat with the space and use this test file. So see here, test file is an empty file. It doesn't have any data. Let's start with the cat command. Cat command is the command which can create a file and put the content into the file. We already have a file, right? ls-l test file. So now what I'm doing, I'm just loading some content into the file. File already created. I can load some content like hi, this is my first test file. Enter and do Control D. I've just loaded the content into the file. Let's display the content of this file. How we can display the content? By using cat with the space and file name. My file name is test file. Enter. See, now I can see the content. And then we can also create file with the help of VI editor. By using VI editor, we can create a file and load the content to it. Same like cat. So to create a file with VI, first you have to enter VI with the space and give the file name. My file name is testfile2.txt. Now enter. Now I'm into VI editor. So here you can load any data. You can to place your content into the file. First you have to go to insert mode. How you can go to insert mode? By using I. So when you enter I, it will take you into insert mode. Now you can write your content. So what is my content? My content is hi, this is my second file. Now I've just load the data, right? Then you have to come out from the insert mode. How you can come out from the insert mode? Just enter escape. So the escape button will be in the left corner. Now you can save this file. How you can save this file? By using :wq with the ampersand. So by using this, you can save the file. If you don't want to save the file, you can simply type : with the hyphen with the ampersand. When you type :q ampersand, the file will not be saved. Currently I want to save this file, so I am using :wq ampersand and enter. So now I have created a file. How we can see the content of this file, guys? We are using cat, right? Cat will display the content of this file. Now you can see the content of the file, right? So sometimes the content will be bigger, so it's very hard to read your content with the cat command. So for that, you can simply use VI also. VI can display the content as well. See, VI with the test file 2. I can see the content, right? The VI, you can see n number of lines. Now you have one line. You can read out entire the content. You can read out entire lines. So that is the beauty of VI. So right now I don't want to save this file. We already saved this file, right? I don't want to save again. So I just wanted to come back. How we can come back? :q ampersand. By using this command, you cannot save this file. I just enter. So this is the way you can see the content of the file. Either you can see the content with the help of cat or VI. So VI will be useful when the content is too large or too bigger. Cat is very helpful with the content is minimal lines. Anyways, we will have a separate session for VI editor. Once we jump into VI editor, we'll discuss everything.
That's it for today, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below. I will reply soon. And please do like and subscribe if you like this video. It really helps the channel out.